Over the past 13 years, I've developed Unity games and battle-tested them on over 9 platforms. Today, I'm sharing top tips for increasing Unity game performance. Optimizing Unity games is crucial, but often overlooked until the last minute. Let's dive into some essential strategies to ensure your game runs smoothly and efficiently. First, let's cover some common mistakes. Avoid rushing optimization just weeks before your game's release. Performance fixes should be ongoing, not last minute. Also, never go in without a plan. Randomly optimizing code or UI elements without a strategy can lead to negligible improvements. Instead, focus on enhancing player experiences for meaningful gains. Lastly, be cautious with the GPU Profiler module. Enabling it by default can produce false data, so use it only when necessary. Effective optimization starts with profiling. Choose your least powerful device or PC as your base. For example, we often use Xbox One due to its older hardware. Create an optimal environment by automating builds and minimizing unnecessary content. Use Unity's deep profiling feature sparingly, as it can add overhead and skew results. Instead, add custom markers for more accurate profiling. Track CPU and GPU bottlenecks using Unity's Profiler timeline to identify areas needing improvement. Focus on specific areas for optimization. For instance, ensure your audio playback doesn't exceed 5% CPU load. Optimize your UI by using canvases efficiently to reduce CPU usage. Avoid running invisible animations and set appropriate physics delta time settings. For multiplayer games, distribute network calls to prevent CPU spikes. Dynamic resolution can help when your GPU is fill rate limited, reducing camera resolution without affecting the user interface. Document your game's performance at reproducible stages. Keep track of profile captures and results to measure progress. Use the Profile Analyzer package for quick comparisons between builds. Establish baseline performance levels to accommodate minor spikes. Aim for 30 frames per second on mobile or Switch, and 60 frames per second on PC or Mac. Regularly revisit and refine your optimization plan, comparing new results with old ones to identify and address bottlenecks. Optimizing Unity games is an ongoing process that requires careful planning and execution. By avoiding common mistakes, profiling effectively, focusing on specific areas, and documenting your progress, you can significantly improve your game's performance. Remember, the goal is to enhance the player experience, making your game more engaging and enjoyable. Happy optimizing!